Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a column. So in the previous video we discussed how to delete rows which are unnecessary or which you think are not useful. So we learned how to delete rows. In this video we are going to see how to delete a column. So let's say this is a dump you have. So as you can see, the G column is not I'm not able to see the entire name. So for this scenarios, what you need to do is you just hover your cursor here where the H column starts, double click, and then it adjusts the column as per the header length. So this is how you can adjust the column length. So now in this video we're going to learn how to remove a column. So as you can see, I have column from A to H. So I don't think H is useful for me because there is nothing useful information is available. So for that you need to do is select the column, take a right click. You'll able to see delete column here. There is one more option which you can delete here. If you go to edit option, then you can see delete option, and then you have the column H. If you want to delete multiple columns, let's say the performance rating and the feedback you don't want, then similar way as I told you earlier, take a right click and then click on delete column G and H, or else you can go here and then delete. Also you can delete from here. So these are the two ways. And the third way we applied for rows, that was we applied filter and then we removed the rows, but here that scenario will not work. So these are the two ways which you can delete the columns. So in this way you can delete any unnecessary column you have in your dump. So hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.